One of the most useful tools to have around the farm is your loader. Whether it's loading trucks, feeding compactors, or just working around the pile, HLA Attachments wants to help you unleash the unseen potential of adding a high-reach bucket to your operation with higher clearance dumping without sacrificing capacity or handling. With no compromise for size and capacity, the high dump bucket allows you to handle materials in an efficient and demanding manner no matter what the job. Standard buckets measure 38 inches deep and 30 inches high, with widths of 60 inches to 96 inches. High volume buckets measure 39 inches deep and 34 inches high, are also available with 60 inches to 96 inches width. For optimal performance, the high-reach bucket uses soft-stop cylinders to reduce the vibration. Located outside the bucket, the cylinders remain easy to access for maintenance that don't sacrifice capacity. This helps maintain our exclusive flat-bottom design, which allows for seamless loading and cleaning of all materials. Regardless of your loader's design, conventional buckets reduce the effective dump-out height the moment you lower your bucket's cutting edge. This makes loading today's high-volume spreaders and mixers more challenging than in the past. Because the high-reach bucket pivots closer to the front of the bucket, it is able to dump materials further away with more precision and balanced placement. Secondly, because the cutting edge never drops, the dump-out height increases up to 48 inches. This basic design principle ensures that you can dump into nearly anything you can get the high dump's cutting edge over, while still providing efficiency and movement versatility for the operator. When loading materials with a standard bucket, operators typically drop their load closer to the side walls because the pivot point is at the heel of the bucket, and then use the cutting edge to nudge the materials closer to the center. In addition, with an inexperienced operator, this method raises potential for error due to the lack of operator visibility, resulting in damages and costly repairs, reducing your efficiency. With time and money always being a factor within your operation, HLA's high dump bucket reigns supreme over all standard buckets with craftsmanship and quality you've come to expect from HLA.